Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on SoFi. SoFi Technologies trading on the Nasdaq. We're trading now here at $11.04 guys, and I want to give you here of course an updated chart analysis and price prediction that we have here a super bullish breakout. So stay with me guys, I will show you here everything based on the chart. As you know, this is not financial advice. Yeah, guys, I will enable my drawings and I show you the primary scenario. The market is super bullish right now, which means we have here this chart constellation. As we know, SoFi is very bullish since we had here the bottom at $4.24. We're building up here a super bullish trend channel pattern, and usually SoFi is able to squeeze out of this trend channel pattern here before we come down to retest the bottom. So for now, the primary scenario was that we also get maybe rejected here at $10.08. We're trading here at $11.04, so we know already that this resistance is for now still active, of course, but we are trading above that. And as you can see that we have in addition here this very bearish liquidity zone, which is waiting here until $11 or $10.87. So the primary scenario was that we come back here to this resistance level, get rejected and tank down here to $7.61, $8.22, because here is also very important support. I explain you of course here everything in the video. But let's press play and let's see what happened instead of this. I use TradingView here to simulate the price action which we had right now here in the last days for SoFi. Ka-ching, guys. There we are. So there is just one thing left. We squeezed out of this trend channel. We squeezed over $10.08, the blue line here, and we squeezed even over the liquidity zone, which is super bullish, guys. The only thing what is missing right now is that we create a higher high. We still have here $11.70. That was the highest price which we had here back in August 2023. You can see since then the price corrected here, and SoFi lost in total. When we see the high here, we lost in total here minus 48%. This is a huge price drop, but then we recovered here at $6.48, which is a very important price level. And yeah, the rest of the story is history, guys. So we had here almost a squeeze, or I think, yeah, we squeezed even over 100%. We recovered more than 100% based on the actual price. I think in the 4 hours chart it was more. In the daily chart is 90%, and here when we see the total price action, yeah, 109%, guys. Yeah, with the shakeout candle here in the 4 hours chart. Yeah, guys, that's why I say the market is squeezing right now. We had 2 very red days this week, some pullbacks, but that doesn't change that the market is super bullish. If you see this video here right now, guys, already now or in a couple of hours, I will also release my brand new hot stocks here. If you don't know my channel, I release here every Sunday my finest selection of short squeeze stocks, which means that the tickers which I present in these videos have high squeeze potential. So I don't only talk about them, I try to predict short squeezes, guys. Yeah, this is what I'm doing since many years. I'm a trader and I share my knowledge here, and it is possible to predict short squeezes. We had here, this week was very boring, to be honest with you. Yeah, we just had here one hot stock squeeze from 115%. That was here in Swing Trade Alert. Sorry, not a hot stock, a Swing Trade Alert on Patreon, squeezed 115%. But last week, guys, when I released my previous hot stock video, we had 2 big squeezes here. Directly after my video release, we had here 291%. And the week in the same week, guys, also 1 day after my video release, this one here with 854%, just 1 day after I released the video. And then we had a 2 days price action, guys. Yeah, so the brand new video will be out right now or in a couple of hours, depends when you see this video here, but I release them always on Sunday. And if you want to see my hot stocks, guys, then you can join in here our trading community. Yeah, the most popular membership which I have, my everyday new members joining in here, guys, is the full package membership on Patreon. You can see the member benefits here, and when you click the info icon, guys, then you get access here to the Patreon member link. Everybody is welcome. We're getting here bigger and stronger every day, so if you want to join in, please use here the info icon and you get access to the Patreon link. So SoFi, guys, what we have here, yeah, you can see that the market makers are struggling now a little bit. I think the short sellers are scared here because we could, of course, see here a much higher squeeze for SoFi. I still think, to be honest, that we of course have a scenario here to come back down in this price ranges, just because we have a lot of open gaps to the downside. You can see that here in the table, $9.07, $7.86, $7.51, and so on. But I will delete these arrows here because they're just disturbing the chart, and we have clearly here a breakout of SoFi with a very strong support. You can see it doesn't matter if you see it here at the $10.08 price level or the EMA line. You can see that we have a very strong support. And this is something what I don't like too much, because when we disable the drawings for a second, everything what comes quick up has to come quick down, or should come quick down, especially when you never retest the EMA line. So SoFi, we are here in a daily chart, by the way, guys. So one candle is the price action of one day, and you can see here with this move, a lot of volume kicked in. We have huge buying volume. That's why I also started here to talk more about SoFi, because it was quite predictable that we see a squeeze coming here. And you can see that we have a lot of gap ups here in the chart, and even we never retested in the daily chart here the EMA lines. Now here we had one shakeout with a retest of the yellow EMA line here. You can see how the candle exactly touched the yellow EMA line, but we had directly a strong buying reaction here from the buyers. But that doesn't change the fact, guys, yeah, even we trading now above all these levels, but still, guys, yeah, we are here not out of the danger zone yet. Now we need here a lot of confirmation from the bulls that they really want to keep the price bringing up to higher price levels, and then the next price level to the upside for SoFi when we can close over $11.70, guys, is at least, in my opinion, here waiting in the $13 to $13.92 range. Yeah, we have some, I would not call it a resistance here, but we can see when we switch off here for a second everything, then we know that when the first squeeze started here is one price level, $11.80. This is also exactly where the price came back after this huge shakeout or this sell-off here. So everything here over $11.70 is a very, very good squeeze buy-in price, or squeeze range, sorry, not buy-in price range. But I think everything here over $13.14 or $13.55 can cause a very big squeeze. That's why I have here $13.92 as a last point of resistance. When we break $13.92, guys, yeah, there is only one open business in the chart for SoFi, and this is this open gap at $22.76. And you can see, I mean, I never, I'm absolutely not a friend of FOMO, guys. I would never recommend here to FOMO in based on this technicals. When we just see the RSI, we have a very, very oversold situation. The last time when we had that, guys, we started to tank down massively. But the market is very bullish right now. We are not yet near to a sell-off or to a bear market. So we could see here many squeezes in the next 1 or 2 months until Christmas, or even a little bit after Christmas. But then by the beginning of next year, this is my personal opinion, not financial advice, I think we will see here a huge pullback in the market, and a sell-off will start here for almost every stock. But until then, SoFi has here a very, very good, yeah, bull run potential and even a squeeze potential. So if we can close over $13.92, guys, I think then here really the open gap at $22.75 is maybe one of the next price calls in the next weeks for SoFi. Yeah, guys, that was my update on SoFi. I hope that was helpful for you. If you want to copy the price levels here from my chart, then of course you can pause the video. This is here everything based on TradingView. I will disable the indicators for a second, guys. So yeah, very strong price levels, or the most important price levels are $10.08. Then to the upside, $13.92, guys. This is the price level which I think we will retest next when we can continue to squeeze. But in the worst case or bear case scenario, it is possible that we even come back down here to $8.22, or even a little bit lower, depending on how quick the price is tanking down. So if you want to copy the price levels, this is everything based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my trades, guys, and for all my videos. And I can offer you here a discount link. I am not sponsored by TradingView, but if you click the info icon here in the corner, then you can access here my TradingView discount link. You will save $15, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you like this content here. If yes, and if you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. Don't forget to check out here the brand new hot stocks. I will release them very, very soon here on Sunday. Thank you so much for your time and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Sorry, vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, my dear members, my dear friends.